In a sunlit apartment, Jax discovers he can turn the fridge hum into catchy melodies after a summer lightning storm fries his childhood radio. The tune guides his daily rhythm, turning chores into chorus numbers and turning grocery runs into impromptu concerts for amused neighbors. Yet the journey isn't easy as friends doubt the odd hobby, and Jax endures skeptical coworkers who mistake his fridge symphonies for stray office noise. He repurposes the hum to calm anxious kids, troubleshoot appliances, and orchestrate peaceful dinners.